Here's an imported classic, a unique specialty in classics. 1980 Ferrari 308 GTBi. Of course, the B for Berlinetta, the hard roof. And the I, this is a fuel injected 2.9 liter quad cam V8 that is paired up with a 5-speed manual transmission with gated shifter. And as you can see, silver exterior with the Rosso leather upholstery or red leather interior. Of course, the pop-up headlights. Go ahead and take a look at the front. Paint shows well in this one. It actually had paint correction and ceramic coating done to it in 2020. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. Carfax also shows service work that was done to this in 2022. List of that: brakes, hoses, caliper, and pads. Also water pump, coolant hoses, air filter, oil pan and tranny pan gaskets replaced. If you want to check out the still pictures, so you can see this car from top to bottom, inside and out, engine bay, luggage compartments, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Riding on the 14-inch 5-spoke alloy wheels. And as you can see, I left this passenger side window up. It does go down slowly, same as the driver's side, but takes a little bit of doing to go up and down. Tinted. Wanted to make sure that you knew the side windows are tinted as well as the rear, so know your local and state laws as far as the percentage of darkness that you can have on a vehicle in your state. And also remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. We're going to start it up, let you hear it run. Take a little look at the engine bay while it's running. And again, if you want to take your time, over 120 pictures of this car online. uniqueclassiccars.com. You'll be able to see the underside, interior, engine bay. And as you can see on the rear, we do have the quad exhaust outlets. In the still pictures, you're going to see it does have the tool roll in the engine compartment cargo area, as well as the jack. And really free of much of any nicks, dings, or scratches. Boy, you might find one very minuscule one, but I have not really come across anything major. Let's go ahead and take a look at this interior. You can see the carpet and the upholstery. All clean, nice shape, well taken care of. Seating surface. Yes, you have your natural wear of the hide, a little wrinkling, but other than that, let me come around to the back. I want to show you a little further away here. I want to show you something. There's the natural, true color of the interior. More of a, I guess, kind of a deep red, brick red, if you will. If I get right up on top of the reds, it will wash it out in the camera view. So if I come right up on top of it, it starts to wash it out. It gets a little more brown like that. That is not the color. It's a nice deep red, just like you're seeing right there. You can also see the Ferrari manual in the passenger seat. That will also be in the still pictures. Let's go ahead and fire this up. Starts easily. As you can see, fuel gauge did move. That was a cold start, so I won't expect that temp gauge to move. Let's check that oil pressure gauge out. That is also appears to be working. Tach. Odometer shows 14,943. Cannot confirm or deny. There's no higher readings than that on the Carfax. But once a car is a certain age, the title, it is just marked exempt. So make you aware of that. Dash looks good. Car is also equipped with AC due to the AC fan blowing, and then as well as the defrost or heat fan that also works. Power windows, as you can see here. Of course, that gated shifter. Oil temperature gauge. I have not had the radio power up as the blanc pump. AM FM cassette, I have not had that power up. Alright, slip around to the back. So you can hear this run. I'll pop the rear engine compartment here too. Give you an idea how it sounds. There's that engine bay. Again, 2.9 liter. Is a V8 quad cam. And then of course the storage compartment right there, as well as up in the front underneath the bonnet. 1980 Ferrari 308 GTBi. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we have a Ferrari 1980 308 GTBi. Very nice car. Looks great in the silver, red and black interior. 5-speed stick. We got pop-up headlights that function flawlessly. All our gauges look like they're working. We've got fuel at a quarter. Water is 175-ish. Oil pressure is idling around 30 here. As you can see, it's winter in Minnesota, but the roads are primarily dry and we wash our cars so we can do these driving videos for you. This car is a nice driver. I love that little engine whine you get. There we're at 55 miles an hour. Pretty quiet, very smooth. Steering is very responsive. You feel the road in this car, which in my opinion is a good thing. In the suspension, you don't. It is nice and soft and smooth. You got corners, awesome. Corners very well. You can tell it's light and low. Drives great. That engine weight in the back, where it should be, in the middle of the car. There's an oil temperature gauge on down low here. It's showing about 145, 150. There's a clock also down there. I could not get sound out of the radio, but who needs it? The engine sounds pretty sweet. Let's get a little speed again. Both our turn signal indicators work. I'm 6'1" and I fit in this car very easily. I think I could be taller, still make it work. definitely check this car out on uniqueclassiccars.com or come in our showroom and take a look.